Hi, this is Peggy St. Peters with Coldwell Banker Lakeside. I am in Ferguson's and they have all these things for the home. They have tons of stuff. So here you go. I'm going to show you the apron front sink that we're selecting. And there's our faucet, except we're going to be super trendy and go with that sort of gold finish. And here's the tubs. We have a rectangular faucet that we're using in the bathroom. And so it's, well, I guess that's a square. Anyway, square faucet. So we're thinking square faucet, square tub. Now, I don't know, I haven't seen any square tubs, but I think it's kind of cool. Here's the traditional oval tub. Can you see it? So that's what we started with, but we've kind of switched over to this one. What do you think? Let me know. Square tub? Well, it's a rectangular tub or oval tub. Keep in mind, we're trying to keep up with the trends, right? Okay, thanks for watching. So I don't know if you've ever done this, but there are a jillion choices, and honestly, it's very confusing. So we'll see how we end up. Okay, here's the sink. Are you seeing? Ah, here it is. See, we're going with our theme. They're square, not round. Terrible picture, but going with the theme here. We're doing the rectangles.